Hello, Sanbonani. My name is Sibo. I am grateful that you came to watch my video. Today we are making a caramel-filled brownie. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, mix white sugar with brown sugar. Add melted butter and mix until the mixture is pale yellow and creamy. You may use a hand mixer. It is tiring to mix with a whisk. A warm welcome to those who are new to this channel. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Once it's creamy, gradually add eggs and mix in between. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Add the vanilla extract or essence and mix. Sift in flour, cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix until smooth. You may use a hand blender on low speed to avoid over-mixing. Stop mixing as soon as the batter comes together. In between mixing, stop and scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula and gently mix. Put the batter aside. Chop the dark baking chocolate. Add the chocolate into the bowl, then fold it using a spatula. Pour part of the batter into a lined baking pan. Fill and close the empty spaces of the base of the pan with batter. Level the batter. Then line it with caramel candy as shown in the video. Do not use all the candy. Leave some for later. Pour the remaining batter on top of the candy. Then level the top, covering every space or empty space. Tap the pan, my fave, and bake for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, place the remaining candy in a microwave-safe container, pour cream, then take it to the microwave and melt it with 30-second intervals, stirring in between. Once the spoon moves freely, when you're stirring, stop melting it and stir until it is smooth. Pour the melted caramel on the brownie. While hot, you may cover the whole top part. I wanted it halfway. Sprinkle a pinch of sea salt, not too much. Cool the brownie in the pan for about 10 minutes, then take it out of the pan. Allow it to cool entirely before cutting it. My favorite time, cut the square pieces and enjoy. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts about this recipe. This is how it is like when it's cut hot, and I'll show you when it's cut cool. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you on my next upload. Bye bye.